Welcome to this week's AMA video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to set up an automated sequence of emails so that you can send a series of emails to your list. So these are called campaigns and they're pretty easy to set up. Today I'm going to show you in Aweber because that's the person that got in touch with me has Aweber. So I use that as well, so I thought it would be really good. It does give you an idea of how to do it, even if you don't use Aweber and you use something else. It gives you a bit of an idea of what I'm talking about. Why would you want to do this? Well, it's great if somebody's bought something and then you want to create a follow-up email or emails to that purchase. It's great if you want to get people to sign up to a freebie, like a PDF or an email series or something like that. So there's lots of reasons why you would set up campaigns. It means as well that you don't have to personally remember to send out emails. The system automatically sends them out for you. It can be a great way to build your list of people by offering something that they can download, and then you can build a list that you can then talk to about your products. And everything needs to be strategic. You need to think about why you're doing it and lead them to the next part of the process. So the campaign also does that for you, because you can set it up to say, thank you for purchasing this. You know, did you know that we do this as well? If you're struggling, would you like to book this with me? And here's my calendar link, you know, those sorts of things. So it leads them on that journey automatically without you having to do it. And it automatically goes out every time somebody signs up. So that's nice. So let me share my screen and share Aweber with you so I can go through this. So it depends whether you have a free Aweber account or a paid Aweber account. It depends on what you would do here. So if you have a free account, they only allow you to have one list at this present moment. This is in 2022. So what you have to do is you have to tag people from the sign up so that then you can run your campaigns on tags, because you've only got one list. If you're on the paid account, you have different lists. So you can see on mine, there's various different lists for various different things. This means then that when people sign up, they are assigned to a particular list, which makes it a little bit easier, because then you can do your campaigns based on sign up and everybody's kind of segregated into what they've signed up for, rather than having everybody on the one list. Okay, so there's two ways in which you can get people to sign up. A sign up form, which you can add to your website, or just have a sign up form, which is almost the enter your name into your email, sign up here. Or you could create a landing page, so it's almost the sales page, and have your sign up within that sales page. So this one's my AMA, and it happens for my landing pages. I set it up on Aweber as a landing page, so I'll show you what it looks like. So this is the landing page for signing up to my Ask Me Anything videos. So I've designed this landing page, and here, as you can see, they put the name, they put their email address, you can change the layout and all of that kind of stuff. And then on submission, they go to the thank you page and they get tagged AMA. So that is how it works. This sign up, this particular landing page is for this list. So mine is set up via list. So yes, I tag them anyway, but they are signed up to this list. Similarly, sign up forms, you can literally have a sign up form. So mine is a very simple join my AMA. I used to use this. I don't use this anymore. I use the landing page, but I used to use this, which is you design here using the templates, your sign up form, and then you can publish your form or use it as a landing page. So if I use it as a landing page, if I copy this and paste it into a bar, if somebody landed on this, they would see my little sign up. Or you can install this in HTML on your website, and then that form would then be on your website. So that's how you would do that in terms of getting that on your website or getting that viewed so that people can sign up. Once they sign up, you want to set up a campaign. So in messages, we've got campaign. And in here, there's a few options. So if you click on create a campaign, there's some templates, which is quite good if you just want almost like a welcome series. You might want to pick pick one that they already have rather than creating it from scratch for yourself, because that's got some of the emails written, so it might save you a little bit of time. So say you were doing a PDF, for example, a lead magnet one, and then create this one might be useful. And if you click into it, you have, here's your freebie inside, which is quite nice because if you click onto it, then the email has already been written. Just click here and we will go to the edit page, and here you go, an email's already written. You just change the bits that you want. So with these, if I click on here and I can go to an upload, so I can upload my logo and change it, or you could go to image gallery if you've already uploaded it, change any of this text just by clicking on it and then changing it. You can click obviously name and everything like that. You could also change it. So if you wanted a button to say something, all of these elements are here, and you literally just click and drag. So if I wanted a button, you can just click and drag. Paragraph, click and drag. So now I've got some text here, I've got a button here, and then down on this side is all of the settings for that. Oops, sorry. Sign up now. So settings and sign up now. So if I wanted to do it through a sign up button, you can add whatever you want to the email and make it look however you want. You would then change a URL. So if it was a PDF, you could put a Dropbox link in there, or a Google Drive link, or a shared OneDrive link, or you could load it to the back end of your website and host it there. And you just copy the URL and put it into here. I believe I've done another AMA video about how to do that, so go and check it out if you want that one. So you design your email, make it look how you want it to look, and then press save and exit. And then on the campaign, just here it says unsubscribe. So as I said, that's okay for me because it's via the lists. I have separate lists. If you wanted it to be on tag, you just replace the trigger with on tag and then put in your tag that you have included. So that would be AMA in this case. So if they are tagged with AMA, they would then enter this campaign, and whatever you've asked for it to do, it will do. So say after a few days, I wanted to email them again to check that they've got the freebie, they've had a look at it. I would like to wait for 1 day. I've just dragged that across. You can change it in here, days, weeks, months, minutes, however long you want. So wait for 1 day, and then I want to add another email here. So add an email, create a message with the drop and drag builder. And I would just create this email to say, you know, hope you've got it. Here's another link if you didn't get it, those sorts of things. So again, your subject line at the top, did you get it? And then change your email here to whatever you want. Once that's all set up and ready, you click save and exit, and then that is your email done. So as you can see, if you wanted to do an email series, then all you would do is you would change, you'd have your video ready in each of these emails and wait for a day in between. So you could do something over like, you know, 5 days, 7 days, 30 days, whatever it is that you want to do. You set them all up and get them all ready. Make sure that either tag or subscribe is the right trigger. You've got that all set up. Save and exit when you're ready. And then here, instead of it being draft, you just activate the campaign. And once it's activated, that is exactly what will happen. So people will go to that sign up, whether it be a page or whether it be a form on your website, and then they would automatically be entered into whatever sequence you have created. So I hope you found that useful in terms of learning how to set up these campaigns. They're really good for events. So if you've got an event, you want people to sign up and then you want people to get some emails afterwards, you can do that. If that's the case, I would do a landing page and get people to purchase and then tag them on the purchase and then create the campaign. So they're great for events. They're also great for products. So again, you can set up the product and then tag them. And also great for newsletters or email series or PDFs, those sorts of things. And the great thing is you only have to set up that campaign once, and then everybody that subscribes will get whatever it is that you've put in the campaign. That's it for this week's AMA. Hope you found that useful, and I will see you next time for the next AMA.